In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdivided circle in 5 steps. This quick workflow is perfect when you need a clean, evenly segmented circle that you can control and refine right from the start, whether you're blocking out a concept or preparing geometry for later edits. We'll begin by moving into the Form workspace. In the Solid tab toolbar, click the purple Create Form icon. This switches you into a sculpting environment designed for smooth, editable forms. You'll notice the interface subtly changed to indicate you're working with form tools, which is exactly what we want for a subdivided shape that remains flexible. Next, create the base shape. Open the Create menu and choose Cylinder, then pick the plane you want to work on. Selecting a principal plane, like the top or front, will keep your circle oriented neatly with your design. If you plan to build up from the ground, the top plane is a great default. If the circle needs to face forward, use the front plane. The choice determines the direction of height, so pick the one that aligns with your design intent. Now set the size, click the origin to anchor the cylinder at the center, then drag outward to define the diameter. You can type an exact value if you need precision. This ensures your circle is perfectly centered and easy to reference later. After defining the diameter, click again to set the height. If you only need a flat disk, keep the height small. The exact value isn't critical here since we're focusing on the perimeter and its subdivisions. With the base placed, dial in the subdivisions. In the cylinder dialog, look for diameter faces and height faces. Set diameter faces to your preferred number like 8 to control how many segments wrap around the circle. A higher number gives a smoother, more circular look. A lower number gives a more faceted geometric feel. Set height faces to 1 to keep the shape simple and clean along its height, which is ideal for a subdivided circle rather than a stacked column. As you adjust these values, preview the result and aim for an even balanced layout that suits your design. When you're happy, confirm the dialog to finalize the form. You now have a neatly subdivided circle with predictable geometry that's ready for downstream edits, deformations, or detailing. That's the entire process, quick, clear, and repeatable. If you need symmetry or specific alignment later, those subdivisions will give you precise control. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your subdivided circles with confidence.